one of my goals with working with Awesome Dynamics was, we were doing in sales maybe 40,000 a month, 50,000 a month, and I saw that of course there's room to grow, and I communicated that to the team, which is why we started working on advertising more consistently and really trying to get a bang for our buck. In January, we had our best month ever that we've ever had, and this year overall 2025, every single month has been better than any month previous in any year. We're very happy with the advertising, and the team is doing a great job. Now we're in the 60,000. So in January we hit $70,000 in sales. Everything has been what I was previously looking for.